Hello, my dear students. In the last lecture, we have estimated the septic tank till precast RC work, right? With the following specification given by them. Then we shall continue for the next element. Okay, next unit of work. So what was remaining? Plastering, then core sand work, footsteps, and a step pipe work was there. No, so we'll now see them. So as per given by them, we have to do the 12 cement plaster. Okay, 12 cement plaster 1 is to 3 with the standard waterproofing compound. So cement plastering. So as the wall has same length, okay, inner length, we will take both the walls first step and second step in once only. So long walls, we have two long walls. Fine, two long walls and two short walls. So two long walls. What will be the inner length, inner dimension? It is 200. 200 into this distance. It is 140 plus 30. It is 170. So multiply will get 6.80 as the quantity for cement plastering. Similarly, in short walls, it is 0.90. In the short wall direction, it's 0.90 inner dimension into the height 140 plus 30. It will be 170 height. So multiply will get 3.06 for the inner dimension of the septic tank. So the total quantity will be 9.86 square meters. So square meters or meter square, as it is a plastering work. Here breadth will not be taken into consideration. Next, 20 cement plaster they have given for floor. Okay, for the floor of septic tank they have given 20 cement plaster. So this is the floor work. Okay, see, so 1 is to 3 is with standard waterproofing solution. Okay, so 1 into, so 2 is what, 200 centimeter is the inner dimension into 0.90 is 1.80 meter square. For the cement plaster on the floor, we have to take floor inner dimension. Then 50 size brick aggregate. Here you see, so soak pit. So brick aggregate 50 size. So now pi into same as we did, mean circumference into breadth into height, that will give the quantity of coarse sand. So here the coarse sand for the soak pit, we have to find this distance as diameter. So what it will be, see, when we calculate mean circumference, we have to calculate till this, then we have to take one of the side, or we have to take half of side. So 100, what will be the size? 100 is the mean size. Okay, see here, I'll neglect this. Okay, 100 plus this 20, both side 20, 20 plus 20. Next, this is 15 centimeter, so this is 15 centimeter. So what it becomes? So 100, so 50 size brickwork. So this is the brickwork. So 100 plus 20 plus 20. Okay, then we have to take half of this. How much it is? 15 by 2 plus 15 by 2. What I was going to tell is, after this 15 by 2, it is 7.5 plus 15 by 2, or you can multiply by 1, only 1, 15. Okay, what we want, mean circumference. the distance from here. This is the brickwork from center of that to from center of here. 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 by 2 plus 15 by 2, we will get 1.55 meter or 155 centimeter. So what is the thickness? 15.15. Okay. What is the height? To which height it will be done? For the height it is 2.50. See here, this one what we calculated, this one. I'll highlight this. So this one was the 50 mm size brick aggregate. Height is 2.50. So we will get 1.84 as the quantity. So at bottom of the soak pit, bottom means this one, this brick aggregate. Now we are talking. We have calculated for the wall. We have calculated, but we didn't calculate the brick aggregate in the bottom. So now we have to calculate under this. So at bottom, so as this is full area, we have to take for quantity. It is in the section. It is looking as rectangle, but it is a circular section. So area pi into d square, that is 100, pi into 1 square by 4, pi d square by 4 into what is the height or depth, 20. Okay, pi d square by 4 into 20 will give the quantity of the bottom brick aggregate. So we'll get the 50 mm size brick aggregate, total quantity as 2 cubic meter. Now we have done this. Wait. Now the calculation is for this coarse sand outer side of aggregate. So what we have to do? Same, L in the mean circumference area. We have to find the diameter distance between from this center to this center. What we have to do? 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 by 2. We have to take here half plus 15 by 2. We will get 1.85. I will get this 100 plus, see here 20, here 20, direct light 40 plus, see here, this is 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, both 30, so 170 plus 15 by 2, 15 by 2 or 115. It will get 185 centimeter. So it is 1.85 centimeter. So what is the thickness? 15 centimeter. They have given the thickness as 15 centimeter coarse sand. Okay, 15 centimeter. Up to which height? Height extended it is 2.50. What we are doing? The calculation for this yellow color coarse sand outer side of the soak pit. So what we will get? This quantity we will get 2.18 cubic meter. Now we shall find the remaining items. What were the remaining items? Here we have iron footsteps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 iron footsteps. So written number as 4 number. Then we have 100 mm SW pipe. Okay, 100 mm SW pipe, 300 centimeter long. This is given in the question also in the first line. You can see here. See, the length of the connecting pipe from latrine sheet may be taken as 3 meters. Okay, same SW pipe. So SW pipe 300 mm long. So inlet from end from latrine to septic tank it is 3 meter. It is given. So 3. Outer end from septic tank to here, from this septic tank to the soak pit we have to calculate now. So 300 from septic tank to soak pit, so it is given as 300 plus for insertion we have to take 15 centimeter both as 30, so 3.30. This 30 centimeter is for the insertion. Okay, so now what we will get the quantity, 3 meter plus 3.30 meter, so total is 6.30 running meter, as it is a pipe. Unit is very important. Okay, running meter. Then what we are left out, then iron steps are over, then SW pipe 100 dia is over. Now here you see T, this is the SWT 100 dia with one leg of the 40 centimeter. They are given one leg, it is 40 centimeter, and this is a T, it is 1, and you can see here another SW bend. Okay, 100 dia. Next what we can see here, the ventilator pipe, of course, the ventilator pipe. Here this ventilator pipe, it is also 1. Ventilator pipe is, see here, this is 2 meter. Ventilator pipe is 2 meter height, so one ventilator pipe of 50 dia, 2 meter height, so 2 meter running meter. Then one CIW cowl, for the ventilator pipe it is joined with the CI cowl, so it is also 1 in number, so 1 number. So we found what, we found the item for the septic tank which is to be calculated. The measurement form, in the measurement form we calculated how much quantity is needed, and if it is a piece, then how much piece it is needed for the iron steps. Okay, iron footsteps, how much piece, and then for the pipe we have calculated in running meter. Then measurement is over. Then with these total quantities of the measurement we have to find the cost. It is done in the abstract of estimated cost. So this is the cost table form. So what will be the item number will be there, then particulars of item, then the total quantity which we calculated with the unit and the rate of the SR book rate of your local authority, then amount. So earthwork we got is 19, so the SR rate here, for example, they have taken 350 rate, so multiply, you will get the amount as 66.50. For earthwork it is charging 66.50 rupees. Like this for each and every item of work. Earthwork was there, next cement concrete, then brickwork, second class brickwork for soak pit, then for dry brickwork, then precast, then cement plastering, then 50 size brick aggregate, then coarse sand, iron footsteps. All the quantities which we calculated, we have the respective rates in the SR book given by the PWD department in your local authority, by the local authority. So for that multiply and estimate the cost, and we get a total here. For that total add 5% contingencies, and we will get the grand total as 2846.83 rupees. This was the total cost for septic tank including soak pit for 25 users, say 2847 was the cost. So this was the method for estimating the septic tank for 25 users. Thank you.